Hey, check out this beauty, huh? This is the Chiappa 1873 22 single action revolver with antique finish. Now, as you just seen, it is unloaded, but man, look at that. What a beautiful looking revolver. Now, these are actually quite inexpensive, about $150, $160. So, we're gonna put some rounds to it. Just bought it, haven't shot it, so I don't know how it's going to perform, but right now I'm just going to shut up and shoot, and then we'll talk about it later. Hey, before we get started, I'm going to shoot some American Eagle. Got Winchester, and I've got Herters, which is also made by Winchester. This is 36 grain hollow points, 40 grain solids, and these are 38 grain copper plated hollow points. All right, I have 6 rounds of American Eagle. Again, brand new, haven't shot it, don't know where it's hitting, so gonna shoot my target here at about 8 yards and just see where it's hitting. I'm gonna aim dead center. Just a little bit low and a little to the right. I'll have to remember that when I'm shooting this. Okay, let's see if I can knock over these steel plates. Yep. Yeah, I was hitting a little low. I forgot to aim a little high. Oh well.
Nice.
Right. Good job. That was 6, right?
4 plates and 1 background.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna try one-handed on the far plate.
Okay. There you go. All right, again, let's just take a look at that. I just absolutely love the looks of this. And it is made in Italy, by the way. Now, a couple things I want to talk about regarding safety. There's a little tag in the box that says, do not dry fire this. It also says in the owner's manual, do not dry fire. If you do, you can ruin the cylinder. Second thing, this does not have a transfer bar. What that means is when you load this up and you put that hammer down, that hammer is sitting on a live round, okay? So if you drop this and it lands on the hammer, it will discharge. So you do not want to carry this with a round underneath the chamber, or I'm sorry, a round underneath the hammer. Now, if you're out here on the range like my son and I, and you're immediately going to shoot, yeah, go ahead, put 6 rounds in it. But if you're going to carry this, whether you're out hiking, riding a dirt bike, or whatever, you do not want a round underneath the hammer, okay? So how do you load this to make it safe? Very simple. Open up the loading gate, pull the hammer back 1 notch, load 1 round, okay? And then skip a round. Load 4 more, close the loading gate, pull the hammer back, gently lower it down, and it will be sitting on an empty chamber. Very important. Do not carry this with 6 rounds in it. can't see where you're hitting, son.
Me either.
Aim a foot high. Aim a foot high and a little to the left. There you go. Yeah, now you're shooting a little high. Huh.
Okay. Yeah.
Not real accurate at that distance.
No.
I know when you practice you were shooting a foot low, but we'll try it again.
Yeah, I'll try that again. All right. I think I got it this time. Nope.
No.
Ain't got it.
Go ahead, try it again. Half a foot high.
Damn you. Damn you. All right, let's try it with this Winchester Super X.
Wow,
I guess the ammo makes a big difference, huh?
Big difference between that Herder's and that Winchester Super X.
Yeah, I was still aiming about a foot high, but...
All right, good shooting. You know, an old design like this has 11 screws in it. And I'm telling you right now, every one of these screws will come loose on this. So when you get home, after you've cleaned it, check those screws, make sure you snug them back down, because like I said, they will come loose. All right, I do have one minor complaint. And if I take the cylinder out, which is very easy to do, the ejector rod on this piece right here that kicks out your empty cases, look how thin that is. That's about a 1/16 of an inch. So to me that looks like it could bend very easy. So just be very careful when you're kicking out empty cases, okay? Almost forgot to mention, listen, when you take this cylinder out, you got a bushing right here that's going to come out with it. Make sure you don't lose it, okay? I just dropped this on the ground and didn't realize it, so just something to be aware of. That does not lock in there, it just fits in there loose, and if you lose it, you won't be shooting. Oh! Oh!
Ready?
Yep.
Got her.
Oh, you got her all right. Nice. Hit that big one in the background.
Don't dry fire it.
Yeah, but it has an empty case, so you're okay. Ah, misfire! Ah! Had one round of that Winchester Super X nut fire. Keep that camera going. It was hit pretty good, so it was the fault of the cartridge and not the revolver. Another one didn't go off. Oh well, just keep that camera going. Yeah, that's that Winchester Super X. And again, it was hit very well. So let's try it one more time. Huh. Twice on that Super X.
Alright, I always like to try one-handed with some distance, so I'm going to see if I can hit that steel plate one-handed. Got it.
All right. Oh, nice.
One more.
Oh, 3 out of 3.
Not bad.
Good job.
Let's try it left-handed just for the heck of it. Probably won't hit it, but...
Oh, nice. Left-handed.
That's awkward.
Oh. Whoa, 3 out of 3, left-handed.
I'll take that.
You like that little gun?
That's a fun little plinker.
It is, ain't it?
It is.
Say goodbye.
Later.
You know, we discovered that this little revolver does not like this Herder's ammo. It does like this Winchester Super X, but again, this is made by Winchester, so I'm not sure what the difference is. But a lot more accurate, even though I did have a couple misfires, which never happens with this ammo with me. But it was struck good, so it is what it is. I'll tell you what, absolutely love this little guy. If you want an inexpensive plinker, man, take a look at this. Neat little gun. Very, very photogenic, I might add. Anyways, thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.